In this video, I'm going to show you how to split the screen in Google Chrome or use multiple Chrome tabs simultaneously with split screen so you can have two or more different windows open side by side. I'll show you two ways to do this. Let's start with the first method. As you can see, I've just opened my Google Chrome, and the first way to split the screen is by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard along with the left arrow key. There you have it. You can now add a new tab right over here, then drag that tab and place it on the right side. You can even create up to 4 split screens. Now, another way to split the screen is by installing an extension. To do this, open your Chrome browser, click on the three-dot menu, hover over Extensions, and select Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Split Screen. Click Add to Chrome. Next, click Add Extension. Once it's added, you can pin it by clicking on the puzzle icon, then click the Pin button. You'll always see it at the top. Now, whenever you want to use split screen, simply click on it. As you can see, you can choose which layout you'd like. There are different layouts available, and all of them work perfectly. For example, I'll click on this one, and as you can see, it opened a new tab, the first one on the left and the second one on the right. If I select a different one, let's say this one, it opens 4 Chrome windows, each in a separate space according to the layout. You can close them all by clicking the Undo button when you don't need them anymore, and it will go back to one Chrome window. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.